Hello, another quick video. We should define in this data we have written the formulas, but this should be pro way. Let's write the formula. For a first step, we should define exactly these tables. Where's the rows and where's the columns, and here's the types. If we type 1, always the sign the $sign, and we should stay the reference relative way. Okay, let's continue writing. By adding this element, we find out we have written the formulas with these addresses, but we want to represent this more visible. Okay, let's make this table into column. This is the array for Tocol, and we want to arrange by ignore errors. Fine, we represented this, but if we test for another tables and there will not any formula, this will show the error. Okay, let's test special formula and delete. Okay, let's put this formula in IFERROR and we will fix this problem. Whenever we want to change this formula, every time we should change these three input values. Okay, let's for this fix use the Lambda formula. And for reference, I set the variable this section. And it's fine. I will find all formulas, exact address, and what is written. Thanks, that was all.